members of
Ang hindi talaga ino-audit, telling you now, without batting an eyelash, ang hindi ino-audit, Office of the President, pati Office of the Speaker of the House.
Sir, given the situation na may perceived na problema no, between the Duterte and the Marcoses camp, ano yung advice mo sa mga tao who are wanting and who needed to hear your voice no, to bring back the people together?
To all Filipinos now listening to me, punta kayo kay Marcos lahat. Tignan natin kung anong mangyari. Mga Pilipino, nakikiusap ako, punta kayo kay Marcos. Hindi kami nakipag-contest kay Marcos. Never. Wala kaming billion, trillion na
magpunta.
sa utak lang na Trillanes.
Mayor, ilusog nakapay na kaso po kang Trillanes.
Ano?
Ang file of kaso kay Trillanes. Nakapay po.
Wala pa akong natumbang ako sa motor.
Nag-file na ba yung pagkaso kay Trillanes after the Quadcom hearing?
Kaya nga, alam mo, pinapakita mo ng bangko, fake talaga yan. Hindi ka makakuha ng, kung magkuha ka ng sa bangko ng papel, bawal rin yan. Ngayon, kung balandra mo, bawal rin yan. Ipinasok mo doon sa Quadcom, use of falsified documents, another crime yan. Alam mo, hindi ko na lang kasi
Ngayon yung sinasabing disbarment daw kay laban kay Vice President at impeachment against sa VP. Ano comment ko doon?
Sinday,
Opo.
kagaligayan ang hindi impeach nila. Total, malayo pa man yung 2028. Di magpasyal sa mga pasyal sa.
So she's running in 2028.
Hindi, wala siguro.
Sabi mo kasi malayo pa ang 2028. Therefore, yun ang conclusion.
Kaya pa, malayo pa. Doon na tayo, pagdating natin, mag-decide tayo kung tama na yung, sabi ko nga kay Inday, tama na yung Vice President. Total, tatay niyan, Presidente ma. Okay na yan.
Well, Mr. President, have you ever, there were reports that there were threats sa buhay ni Inday before sa mga, among his guards, and then, did she ever confer with you or talk to you about it?
We do not talk about politics, Inday.
No, not politics, security.
Security, kaya ni Inday. May security yan si Inday. Huwag kang maniwala, wala yung security.
Being the father, sa tayo mong gibati, so nakita niyo siya na he was seeking for help and you were there. I suppose you were still awake that time. Ito ang feeling na yun.
Lingaw.
Meaning to hold.
I am entertained. Wala man nangyayari sa anak ko. She is not hurt. Of course, there's yung hearing sa confidential funds niya. Bakit man ako magsabi i-invest mo ako confidential fund? O sige, tanungin mo ako. What did you about? Give you the correct answer. Well, it was spent properly.
But why is she not answering the Congress daw?
Confidential nga eh. Bakit patawagin ng confidential kung
Pero yun kasi yung issue na
But
ginamit
you kept mum about it all along.
hindi lahat sila patayan si Martin Romualdez, wag binabot na bilyon yan. Kaya mausapan lang naman. Maybe one of the things that I will do next is, of course, this time I would be appealing to every Filipino. Lahat na. Once and for all. Buhay man yung COA, hindi man nasunog ang building nila, pero lang kung sunugin andyan man yan, buksan natin lahat. Huwag na lang muna yung ibang ngayon yung this year lang. Tapos pagkatapos buksan natin next year. Buksan ng Congress. Ang congressman, hinamon ko ba sila? To open your books. Ang sagot naman ito ni Trillanes, open your bank account. Makihati ka pa sa putang inang pera ko. You know, sa bangko, huwag ka magtanong kung saan ko nakuha yan. Kinukuha ko yan sa hold up, nakuha ko yan sa smuggling. Wala ka nang pakialam. Nandiyan yan sa bangko. Pero ito, simple lang, opening of the bank na libro. Hindi naman bangko yan eh. So, audit.
Pero bingi man sila na year sa
Ang hindi talaga ino-audit, telling you now, without batting an eyelash, ang hindi ino-audit, Office of the President, pati Office of the Speaker of the House. Magtanong ka ng witness, katabi ko, speaker man yan. No? Tanungin mo ba kung may malakas ba na sira ulo dyan sa audit na mag-audit? Audit lang yan.
So, Mayor, you are saying that you are open to opening the book of how she spend the confidential funds.
Of course, yes, to. Nandiyan, inaano lang nila yan. Hindi pa yun na careful masyado yan. Alam kasi niya. Kaya ingat.
So, why can't she just explain it more?
Ini-explain na nga iha. Sa document nasa documentary ano pa. Ngayon pag na-present na lahat sa COA, pero sa COA ang ibang dokumento eh. Kaya nga sabi niya si Laika, wag mo na munang ibigay dito. Kumpletuhin mo na yung COA audit namin.
But that was the reason that Attorney Silaika was cited for complaint.
That's the reason why. Why should it be an interference kung sinabi ko, wag mo muna akong ipa-audit dito, tapusin mo yung audit doon, yung papilis nandyan yan. What is wrong with that? What is contemptible sa...
In a word, how would you describe all these procedures from the Senate, the Congress calling you and your children for investigation?
No, I cannot talk for the Senate. The Senate, it's a bit formal.
Well, at Congress,
Tanungin mo si Bebot. Si Bebot man nandun. Bakit ako tanungin? Hindi man ako congressman.
how do you see this, no?
Siya.
Ikaw gani ako di pangutana. Kasi mo tanaw ani ginahimo ka sa Congress, no? It's you,
Guwapo eh,
Vice President.
Bebot Alvarez.
Ikaw gani.
Kaya nga sasagot kita eh.
Ikaw na.
Bugwa kanta ka ani ro, no?
Layo. So kayo feeling mayor nga mo personal na mali inyo, ha?
Pero kayo na ba, no? You are yung pretended naivety ninyo klaro masyado. Alam mo naman yung politika yan. Alam ninyo walang oposisyon, walang liberal. Kaya nga ako naman, I'm aghast na ang ano nila, Marcos pati Duterte. Bakit wala man kami opposition kami in the sense that we can talk against them on many issues. Pero hindi sabihin mo na, pero ang labas ngayon, walang iba yung, wala yung nasyonalista, liberal, ako po, PDP. But, kami na nga yung ewan ko ba?
So you're the opposition now.
Hindi man, but we will talk about issues against government. For, if it is for the people, if it is for the interest of the people, and against, if it is not good for the people.
So are you open for those other politicians who would come in and join your group?
Wala mang matapang na politician yan. Bebot lang man.
Sir, there are
Who will join you? Wala matapang?
Ha?
Wala matapang na politician who will join your group?
Mas grabe ito. Bebot kaya nung military, paanuhin na dyan. Military wake up.
Sir, there are observers now from other countries